James Mom, my son, come on, me too, Mom, tell. Yes, they're really playing ice hockey in this whole video, no lie. And none of it is being fast forward. Goes for all my videos. No lie. If I'm lying, you shoot my ass. If I'm lying, my arms, legs, trim, black, fall. If I'm lying, what I mean is, all the videos I distribute, like on YouTube, Hockey Hall of Fame, True Hockey, CCM Hockey, Bauer Hockey, Capcom, video games, all the ones I distribute, I'm not fast forwarded, and I'm really playing ice hockey in all videos. No lie. You have nothing to lose. If I lie, you sue my ass. If I'm lying, my arms, legs, trim, black, fall line. If I'm lying, I'll collapse now, and I'm not lying. Stay healthy, drink water. Today's Wednesday, October 8th, 2025, 12:06 p.m. If the dates are off sometimes, I'm still not lying. What's important, I'm really playing ice hockey in the videos. No lie. If I'm lying, sue my ass. If I'm lying, I'll collapse now. If I'm lying, my arms, legs, trim, black, fall. If I'm lying, I'll die now. And I'm not lying. Multivitamin, lukewarm water, bottles for hairs. Bring extra cotton clothes when we play, so you go home nicely comfy. Stay healthy. Play ice hockey.